Hi friends, today we're going to work on our letter sounds and recognition. Here I have Jessie and Bullseye with me. They're going to listen to all the sounds that we make together. Are you guys ready? Great. Letter is A, sound is A. Letter is B, sound is B. Letter is C, sound is K. Letter is D, sound is D. Letter is E, sound is E. Letter is F, sound is F. Letter is G, sound is G. Letter is H, sound is H. Letter is I, sound is I. Letter is J, sound is J. Letter is K, sound is K. Letter is L, sound is L. Letter is M, sound is M. Letter is N, sound is N. Letter is O, sound is Ah. Letter is P, sound is P. Letter is Q, sound is Q. Letter is R, sound is R. Letter is S, sound is S. Letter is T, sound is T. Letter is U, sound is Letter is V, sound is V. Letter is W, sound is W. Letter is X, sound is X. Letter is Y, sound is Y. Letter is Z, sound is Z. Very nice job, friends. So now we're going to move on to our rhyme and repetition. So you know how this works. I'm going to say the two words, and you guys are going to repeat after me. Ready? Black tack. Good job. Sheep shoe. Nice job. Wool full. Good job. Yes, less. Good job. Surfer. All right, you guys have been working hard. Pat yourselves on the back for a job well done. Now we're going to work on our onset fluency, and those are our beginning sounds, right? You guys remember how to do this, so we're going to go now. N. Ring. R. Yes. Y. Bag. B. Lane. L. Nice job, guys. And the last thing we're gonna... This is my cat, Dusty. He wanted to say hello. Say hi, Dusty. The last thing we're gonna do is blending our sounds together. Ready? Cheetah. Cheetah. Rhino. Rhino. Zebra. Zebra. Hippo. Hippo. monkey, monkey. Nice job, friends. I'm so happy that you got to meet Jessie, Bullseye, and my cat, Dusty. I'll see you again next time. Bye.